Hi guys, welcome back to the Makeup Revolution YouTube channel. My name is Sienna Wesley and it is so lovely to meet all of you. I am so grateful to be here today as this is my first time on this YouTube channel. If you haven't heard of me before, then all my social links will be down below so you can have a look. Basically, if you're a little bit different, weird and quirky, then come and join the quirky family. Everyone is welcome, no matter your age, gender, race, you're all welcome on my channel. If you don't know already, where have you been? Because Makeup Revolution have finally launched loads of glitters, glitter glues, glitter pastes, loads of glitter products to make your festival looks super affordable. So the first thing that they're launching are 10 glitter bombs, which are these cute little glitter pots that are so many different colors, and some of them have like 2 or 3 different colors inside as well. I'm gonna swatch you guys some of my favorite shades so you can see. The next thing that they're gonna launch is 3 new pressed glitter palettes, which are literally insane. So the gold one is called Midas Touch, the red one is called Hot Pursuit, and then they have a black one which is called Abracadabra. So first of all, let's talk about this packaging. It is so adorable. It's so light and compact as well, but it's like completely smothered in glitter. Even the logo is in glitter. And then if you open it up, it has a mirror at the top, which is amazing because when you go to a festival, like, you're gonna need something that contains a mirror so you can do your makeup with. So this gold palette contains all these amazing colors. It has reds, browns, golds, and even these kind of like greeny yellow colors at the bottom here. They've got some crazy names like magnificent, precious, fancy. I would say this is like an everyday glitter look because sometimes I do wear glitter just to go anywhere. Like, thumbs up this video if you do that too. The red one is called Hot Pursuit and it features these amazing fiery colours. So you've got your purples, pinks, reds, and even just a little bit of gold there. This is probably my favourite palette because I really think these colours complement my skin tone. Some of the names in these are Ignite, Fire, Burning Desire. Yeah, they're really cool. The black one is called Abracadabra. So this one is the most like fun and wacky colors. So you've got like this pressed pink here with loads of different reflects of greens, blues, purples, reds. This one is a super fun palette. You can create some cool wacky looks with this. So some of the names are Sorcery, Magic Act, Witchcraft. So I'm going to be showing you guys some swatches of my favorite shades of these pressed glitters too, so you can see what those look like. So the next thing that they launched are glitter pastes. Now these are these little cute glittery pots, but the texture of them is like a liquid, so it already includes like a gel type formula which helps to stick the glitter on. So these are perfect for like a camping festival. If you don't want to bring everything, the glue, or you don't have any time, you could just literally whip your finger in the glitter, swipe it wherever you want it, and then you're good to go. These actually dry down to a matte texture. Some of the names are Power Hungry and Long to Be Desired. So I'm going to show you guys some swatches of my favorite shades now so you can see what those look like as well. And then last but not least, you can't go without your glitter glue. So I'm so happy that they've launched their own glitter glue as well, which is obviously super affordable. So what this feels like, it feels like more of like a primer, but then it helps to stick the glitter down as well. So it doesn't dry super hard, or it's not really hard to get off. It comes off really easily, but it keeps my glitter on all day. So it comes in a little gold tube like this. It's super cute. Yeah, that's the texture of the glitter glue, and I will smudge it out a little bit so you guys can see. So guys, today's makeup tutorial is obviously a festival look, but you can wear this glitter literally anywhere. You can wear it to a hen party, a wedding, a night out, a night in. You can literally wear this every day. I used to wear glitter on my eyelids every day when I used to go to work. I just picked a colour which wasn't like crazy out there and put it all over my lids, and it was great. It was super fun. So this is what the makeup look looks like up close. If you're like me and you're obsessed with glitter, but you want it to look good on your face instead of just having a full face of glitter, although that would be pretty cool. I've done this, so like pretty much all of my face has a little bit of glitter on it, but it's not overbearing. It's super easy to recreate. Everything on my face is all from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by putting some of these crushed pearl pigments on my eyelids just to give it a bit of a base, and I'm obsessed with these. The colours that I'm going to start off with are called Vindictive, Savage, and DTF. The best thing to do is to just tip it upside down and then tap the top a couple of times into the lid, and it gives you a nice amount of product to work with. So I'm going to go in with the shade Savage, and it's like a deep, gorgeous purple shade, and I'm going to use a fluffy brush and just put that as like a transition colour on my lid. The great thing about these pigments are, depending on how you use them, whether you wet your brush or you use a fluffy brush or a flat brush, it gives you a different look. So although I'm using a fluffy brush, I've got this really pigmented deep purple look, but it's not as shimmery as it looks in the bottle. But if you wanted it more shimmery, you could just wet the brush or just pat it on and not blend it out, and it will give you that look. Now I'm going to take one of these iridescent shades, which are absolutely gorgeous. They're like a pearly white shades. One's called Sate and one's called Minted. I think I'm going to go for Minted. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to use that to kind of blend this purple out a little bit. That looks so pretty. Okay, so now for the lid, I'm going to go in with this deep bronzy kind of orangey colour, and it's called DTF. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and put that all over the lid. You see how much more metallic-y and shiny that one is now that I've used the flat brush. So you can get so many different looks with these. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. This looks so good. If you wanted it even more shimmery and shiny, you just have to wet your brush and you're good to go. Now to blend those two colours together, I'm going to go in with this pinky purpley shade, and it's called Vindictive. It's absolutely stunning, and it's kind of like a blend between the two shades. So I'm just going to put that in between the two shades just a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it out with my fluffy brush. Just going to go back over the lid with that second colour, DTF, the orangey one, just to make the lids pop that little bit extra. So pretty. It's giving me like sunset vibes. So if you're a little bit OTT like me with glitter and you're obsessed, then if I could go head to toe in glitter, then I totally would, but I'm gonna keep it cool and a little bit quirky. I'm just gonna put the glitter on my face as well as my eyes. So I'm gonna start with my face first, and then I'm gonna go back to the eyes to kind of see what direction I'm gonna take this in, because I'm pretty much making it up on the spot. But I have picked my 4 favorite shades of glitter, and they're probably gonna be your favorites too. They're the ones which have different colors in it, and then I've also picked a gold. So it's these 4 shades of the glitter bombs. They are Interrupted, Orion's Belt, Glitterati, and Retrospect. They are literally insane shades. So what I'm going to use to glue the glitter down is the Makeup Revolution glitter glue, and I'm obsessed with this because it doesn't leave that like hard tacky feeling which most glues leave, which makes it really hard to get your glitter off. It actually keeps it on without giving that effect. So I'm going to be using this on my face. I'm going to use this kind of little paintbrush to draw some squiggly lines. So the first shade I'm going to use is Glitterati, and it's just a silver colour, but it's obviously got reflections of purples, greens, blues. It's insane. So I'm just popping the glitter on top of the glue, following the lines I've just made. I hope you guys can see how glittery that is. So I'm going to do the same again, but I'm going in with my second shade, which is called Retrospect, which is quite similar, but it's got reflects of pink and green. It looks a lot more like a pinky shade. Again, I'm just patting on the glitter to follow the line that I've already made. The next shade I'm going into is called Orion's Belt, which is a stunning, it's like a deep purple colour with reflects of gold, blues, pinks. It's so stunning. The great thing about this look is you can put the glitter literally anywhere and it will look great. So you can be as messy as you like, you can be as neat as you like, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so the last shade I'm going to go into for my 4th little squiggle over there is called Interrupted, and it's just like a gold. It's just gold. It's got no other colours in it. Actually, it might have a little bit of silver in it. I think it is mainly gold with a tiny bit of silver reflex in it, which is just stunning. Guys, look at that. I'm so happy. It looks so stunning. So I'm going to go and do the other side, and then I'll come back. So guys, I've just zoomed in because I wanted you to see the close-up of the glitters on my face and how pretty they look. So from outwards going inwards, I've got on Interrupted, Orion's Belt, Glitterati, and then Retrospect. So I'm going to go back to my eyelids and add some glitter there. I'm feeling to add Orion's Belt there. It's the one that's purpley, but it has like yellow and blue and silver. It's so gorgeous. So I'm going to get a little bit more of my glitter glue. So I'm feeling, I don't want glitter all over the lid. I think I want a little bit, just so like the focus stays on the rest of the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glitter just in this area where like the shadowed part of my eyeshadow is. I think that'll be really pretty, and just want it above where my eyelid kind of sinks into my face, so about here. Because I have hooded eyelids, I don't want the glitter to like disappear once I look up. Again, I'm just going to follow the line that I drew with the glitter glue, and just pat it on. Again, just because it's glitter, it doesn't have to be neat at all, just slap it on. There, I think that's so pretty. What I'm gonna do is, just gonna dab a bit of extra glitter, just go more towards my eyebrow without the glue, just to give it kind of like a blended effect, if that makes any sense. So as you can see, my eyelid doesn't have any, and then the glitter starts there and it kind of like goes outwards. I think that's really pretty. So I'm feeling to put a little bit more glitter on my face. So I'm gonna put some glitter on my lower lash line. I am living for these Makeup Revolution pressed glitter palettes. There's 3 in total, and I'm gonna use one shade from this gold one. This one is called Midas Touch, and it has these beautiful orangey, reddy, and like silvery tones as well. And I feel like it will really complement the crushed pigment that I put on my eyelids, like the orangey shade. So I'm gonna go in with this top corner shade here called Dripping in Gold. It's like a goldy, reddy color. I'm going to apply the glue first. So I'm going to kind of wing it out and join it up to the top bit of glitter that I've got going on, and I'm just going to push this in and make sure it's all stuck down. So I've got my eyeliner, mascara and lipstick on. I'm actually using a lipstick from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna put one more crushed pigment on my face just because I feel like I need a bit of highlight, and these work perfect as highlighters as well. I'm gonna use this pinky pearly shade. It's called Beck and Cool, and I think it really complements this look. So I've put a bit in the lid, and I'm just gonna use this fluffy small brush. I'm gonna start with my nose and just go straight down the middle. Look at that. Oh, it's so stunning. I'm gonna put a bit on my eyebrows, on my brow bone. I am gonna put a bit on my cheekbones. I'm just gonna go in between the glitters. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that pigment onto the inner corner of my eyes, but first of all, I'm gonna wet my brush with the Hyaluronic Fix face spray from Makeup Revolution, just to make it that much more pigmented. Just gonna add a bit more with this brush wet because it is so pigmented. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So pretty. Guys, so like I said, if you want it way more pigmented, just wet the brush. Okay, so my last step is I'm just gonna fix everything in place, and I'm gonna use the Hyaluronic Fix face spray by Makeup Revolution. This has hyaluronic acid in it, which contains the water in your face, which obviously makes the makeup on your face stay a lot longer. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. I tried to create a look that was really easy to recreate. So if you guys do recreate it, then don't forget to tag me on Twitter. My handle is @SiennaWesley, and I'm going to be retweeting all of them. But yeah, what do you guys think of this look? Would you wear this look to a festival? Have you worn a look similar to this at a festival? But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check out my social media channels down below. There'll be links for you guys there, or just search my name, which is Sienna Wesley. Thank you so much for having me here today, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye!